Coors Light. Got beer? Nope, not tonight. Got a pail full of water. Let's see. Put the pail over here. Try not to spill any, which I just did. Got a vibrator. Some clean water. Yep. A little particles vibrating down there. That's how they get clean. Watch. I already put these in once. It's cleaning them up somewhat, but I want to clean them up more. Bloop. Yep. Clean it up. Bloop. And bloop. Well, what I've been doing is, you guys all know, I've been working on this 140, and what I've been told to do with these lifters is clean the ends out right there. Get that lip off. Well, I've done it to 3 of them so far, and this is how they came out. A little dirty, but see that? No lip, nice and smooth. What I've used, I've used this machinist stone. I've always had this machinist stone for years. And what I'll do is I'll spray some silicone on it with oil, whatever comes first. And I'll take it, put it on there like that, and just go back and forth. Nice and easy. And I'll probably spend like maybe an hour on every one, or 40 minutes on every one. And then when you get them cleaned up, they look like, if I can clean this off here. So you can see how it's starting to shine it up somewhat. But once you get them all done, they look like that. It's nice smooth surface. But I'm cleaning these off now. That way, I just matched them up. I mean, not matched them up. I've just fitted those in. Those do fit in this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of those in. And I'm going to put it in there. And then I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to clean it up. Maybe I don't need the guys at B-Blast. I'll just put it in there and clean it up with some brake fluid or something after, and then, go from there. So these, I'm just put in here, no specific order, because they're all getting clean anyways. And this is where the heat source is, right here. That's the heat source. I'm just gonna put those in there. Put this one in, which I kind of already started, and I'll put a different one in there. I'll put these in there like that. I already put them in some dirty water and cleaned them off with some dirty water. So they're pretty clean right now. But I want them cleaner. Clean motor's a happy motor. I'll leave that one out and give me something to work on tonight. I'll put the last one in here. Now this is how they look. Let me show you guys something pretty nice. You guys know how my connecting rods looked, right? Connecting rods look pretty nasty and dirty, right? Ta-da! Clean. Very, very clean. Look at that. Got clean parts. Look at that. Let me put the light on here. Show you what it looks in there. See? It's all clean. Don't worry about the white stuff. I'll clean that out later. done all of them. Nice and clean. Even the caps came out real nice. Yeah, that's not rust, don't worry. All my connecting rods, all nice and clean. Came out really well. I really like this machine. Can't wait to see what it does with these rocker arms and the jugs. The jugs I'll really be impressed with, I'll tell you. So I'll spray a little bit of these with some more silicone spray to prevent them from rusting. Don't like rust. Me and Corvair both think alike. He was nice enough to send me one of those tools to adjust the fan belt on a Corvair. I'm excited once I can start my motor. And I've decided that I am a long way away from it, but I'm not going to bring my motorcycle home or get it registered and insured until this motor is together and running. So it's probably going to be a couple more months till I can get this motor running. So I got to send those out along with the connecting rods, along with the pistons. And I got to get them machined and bored out. I got to clean those up first. So between now and Tuesday I'm going to try and send all these out and get them done. I want to be able to send these out and get them done. That way I can start putting this block together. Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to hopefully get the block back from my buddy, or the cam and my crank back from my buddy, and I can start putting them together. So, all in good time, I suppose. How are these guys doing in here? Let me see this. Oh yeah. Water's already getting dirty. What I'll do is I'll put a little bit more baking soda on top. Because the baking soda kind of acts like acid, but it does the reverse. It still cleans them, but it just cleans. I'll put some more water in here. I need 2 hands for this. So let's get my handy dandy tripod. Finally got the tripod back from my buddy. Oops, sorry about the fingers. I just have to move this tripod thing a little bit. Cool. Let's see. Make sure you guys are looking at the same thing I'm looking at. Hi. Pour it in. Make sure there's plenty of water in there. Oh yeah. That water is dirty. It's going to be really dirty tomorrow morning, let me tell you. I'm going to come here in the morning and do some more work, change the water out again. So I'm just going to let this sit here. And what to do. Wish I had 5 of these machines. The machines work great. If I had 5 of those things, I'd just put a jug. Every one, or 6, or whatever. So, here's my connecting rods. Ta-da! Nice and shiny. Didn't look that way before, let me tell you. Definitely did not look that way before. But I'll get them all cleaned up and I'll get these cleaned up as well. Yeah, that's all you do. Let me put this down. You guys can watch me do this for a little bit. Can you see me? Not much to look at. You want to move it around because if you do it in the same spot on the stone, it'll wear in just that one spot on the stone. So you always want to make sure you move it around. It's like watching grass grow or cheese get moldy or what. More spray! You guys enjoying this yet? I'm having a great time. Get that thing in there. Yep, it's St. Patrick's Day, and I'm not drinking today because I'm trying to get rid of my beer baby. You know, she's killing me. I'm trying to get rid of my beer baby, so I'm gonna go on a bit of a non-beer diet. All you guys are like, oh, come on, what are you doing? Don't go on a diet, but sometimes when nature calls. See, it's coming out slowly. Some more right here. You can see the step. You see the step right there? How it's real shiny. It's getting there. See where it really gets shiny? Let me get a pointer. Here. Let me use this pen. See it's shiny right here? And shiny right here. That's where the valve was hitting. This rocker arm wasn't adjusted correctly and it kept hitting in different spots. But there's actually a step right here. You guys can see it. There's a step right here. I'm trying to get rid of it. So, let's see, what else do I have over here besides the silicone spray that I can use. Oh yeah, Mobile 1 5W30. Synthetic. Yep, pour blob on there and go to town. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I need to go to bed at a decent hour tonight. Pretty sore from the gym. I was trying to go to the gym tonight, but I ended up spending way too much time at work talking to a coworker about Napa and what our district plans on doing. But plan on doing lots of things. Can't get into it too much because, well, I don't even know what's going on, so. Let me see if I can give you guys a different angle. I'm sure you guys are like not too happy with that angle. There we go. How about up here? That's a good picture right there too. Here. Oh, timber! Let's see what happens when you zoom in a little bit. There we go. I'm hoping it's not gonna fall. Uh-oh. As long as I don't touch it. If it falls. Well, that's all you do. Not very exciting, but great. That's what I didn't want. And granted, they're pretty strong material here, but still don't want to ding them up too much. This one didn't even ding up. It's pretty relentless. That water's getting real dirty already. Well, I don't want to bore you anymore. Let's bore myself. I wish I could crank something up like a Corvair motor or a lawnmower or something. But the only thing I can crank up is this Mustang. And I don't have too much gas. I wish I could crank up this bike for you, but dead. Dead. Put a battery charger on there. Got our one race bike. Oh well. Alright guys, well for any of you guys that are asking, I'm gonna have this summer I'm gonna have some Corvair stuff for sale that my father's kept for over the years. It's gonna be part of my Corvair fund where I can buy cool stuff and like pistons in there. Those are junk pistons. And blocks and got baffles. Remember when I put those in? See, this block has been apart so long. Get new valves already got. I'm getting springs. Those are shims, which I'm not sure how those work. Supposedly they have to be adjusted correctly, but if I follow the book, I think I should be okay. And got connecting rods. A bunch of connecting rods are nice and clean. And dirty water. Little things floating around. Alright guys, well that's enough for now. I'm done boring you. I don't want to bore you anymore. What would happen if I set that can on top of that? I wonder if it would vibrate. Yeah, I'm not gonna chance ruin the machine. Don't want to ruin the machine. Alright guys, well I got nothing else more tonight. I'm gonna load these videos and hit the hay. Kinda tired, I need to eat some healthy food. I'm gonna eat some apples or something before I go to bed. Try to get rid of my beer baby. Oh yeah, I'm sore. Worked out too much yesterday. Alright guys, well I'll see you later. Maybe charge the Suzuki or something. Alright, see ya. Bye.